My name is Lyle Hogg. I'm the president of Piedmont Airlines. Looking at how my career has progressed might be instructive to many of you who maybe want to be a pilot, maybe want to be in administration.
We love having our Piedmont family come out and talk to our students. We developed a relationship with Piedmont several years ago. When Lyle came out the first time, had an opportunity to show them around our campus, get to understand who Liberty really is. Several of our pilots have come and gone to Piedmont over the years. Seeing how our program has grown up and developed has been a real treat.
We are here to educate you in what we have to offer, what we are, who we are as a company, and let you make the right choice for you.
When they hear it from somebody who's actually in the industry and a leader in the industry, they're really listening. You can just watch their eyes. They were glued to him the entire time he was speaking, and they're just taking it all in.
I asked him, my question to him was, from a hiring standpoint, are you looking more for an EQ or an IQ? And he really helped describe things that are important in the cockpit, and so that really did help me understand what I should be working on.
I wish I was sitting in your seat because I wish I could do it all over again. My 35 years with what was U.S. Airways and now American Airlines has been so rewarding. It's been fantastic, and any one of you could have the same career.